Productivity journaling is a simple but powerful tool to help you stay focused, organized, and motivated every day. By tracking your tasks and reflecting on your progress, you can improve your productivity step by step. First, let's understand what productivity journaling is. It is the practice of writing down your daily tasks, goals, and thoughts related to your work or personal projects. This journal becomes your personal productivity tracker. Start your journal by writing a clear list of tasks you want to complete each day. Break larger projects into smaller, manageable steps. This helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed and keeps your work organized. Next, prioritize your tasks. Mark the most important or urgent ones so you know where to focus your energy. You can use simple symbols like stars or numbers to rank them. As you work through your day, update your journal. Check off completed tasks. If some tasks are not done, move them to the next day or adjust your plan. This keeps your workflow flexible and realistic. At the end of the day, take a few minutes to reflect. Write down what went well and what challenges you faced. This reflection helps you understand your work habits and find ways to improve. Also, note any distractions or time wasters you noticed. By identifying these, you can plan to reduce them in the future, making your work time more efficient. Over time, your productivity journal becomes a record of your progress. You can look back and see patterns in your productivity, such as which times of day you work best or which tasks take longer than expected. This insight allows you to adjust your schedule and methods to fit your natural rhythm and strengths. It makes your productivity system personal and effective. Remember, consistency is key. Spend a few minutes each morning planning and each evening reflecting. This routine trains your mind to focus on what matters most. In summary, productivity journaling helps you track tasks, reflect on your performance, and continuously improve your workflow. It turns your goals into clear actions and builds habits that support long-term success. Start your productivity journal today and watch how small daily steps create big results.